Residents in West Cumberland, Portmore have taken to the streets once again. This is over a development in the area which they say could turn the community into a congested corridor. Details in this report.
Stop! Please stop! We'll be here by flop.
A disaster. That's how residents of West Cumberland in Portmore St. Catherine are describing plans to construct an entrance and exit point through their community. They staged a protest in March this year about the same issue. In response, the municipal authorities said the issue was under review. But more than a month later, the residents say they've not been updated on the matter.
The mayor said he would get back to us. The mayor would get back to us after meeting with Pizza, the management of Pizza. Unfortunately, he hasn't gotten back to us. So we still insist that we do not want this Pizza Gate to be the exit to Boulevard into West Cumberland.
They're getting even more frustrated.
We were supposed to have a meeting with a restaurant of Jamaica, and nobody reached out to us, the citizens of West Cumberland. And they say that they are putting a sliding gate right there, so for a case of emergency. But we haven't spoken with anybody so far. Phase 3 President, Mr. Pastor Smith, have sent out petition to various agencies, local government, the mayor, the MP, and also the Prime Minister, and haven't gotten a response. So we are here today saying that they want an entrance here on West Cumberland Boulevard. Is it that it is a case of emergency, entrance only? Well, we need to see that.
The residents told TVJ News that they will continue to protest until the issue is addressed.
We have informed them and written to them the expression of the community as it relates to petition, and not a reply until now.
They said that they have meeting with residents on 25th Avenue, which is not only 25th Avenue resident live. We have the whole of West Cumberland, from phase 3 right back to phase 1. So they're supposed to have a meeting with all the residents in West Cumberland, not just on 25th Avenue, which is the avenue right behind the establishment.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
Stop!